utterly exhausting day today. We finally got everything packed and we numbered all the boxes and explained their contents and filled out the insurance form with really detailed contents. And right now I'm at 67 boxes, and I know that there are three more in my truck and about five more in the apartment that still aren't labeled. But I just can't move. A lady said she might come around 10:30 to pick up the red couch that I'm trying to get rid of, that one over there. And I'm kind of halfway hoping that she's going to decide to come tomorrow. Doctor's been really stressed out all day. He doesn't understand what's going on. Although this is, I think, the one, two, three, four, fifth moves. This will be the sixth move that he's done with me in the 8 years we've lived together. So he should be pretty used to it by now, not to mention the time he went to go stay with my mom when I was deployed. And the time he went to go stay with my friends when I was deployed. And the other time he went to go stay with other friends when I was deployed. He's a very, very adaptable dog who is ready to travel. And we're going to go to Kiev soon. And we're going to be in quarantine for 2 weeks. And then hopefully, like 2 months from now, we'll be in Lviv and we'll be able to stay in the same place for at least 4 years while I'm in university. And he deserves that. And I deserve that. I've lived in over 40 different addresses in my 42 years of life. So I'm ready to settle down. But yeah, I'm totally exhausted. And tomorrow morning I go to pick up my truck at 8 a.m. and pick up the moving truck at 8 a.m. And we got to load it up and we got to deliver it to the warehouse between 12 and 2. And I think it's going to take at least 2 deliveries. So we're going to have to work hard and fast. And I also have to deliver my car to the warehouse. So, and then I'm going to be coming back to this apartment and I'm going to be living here with no furniture for a day. And I'm just going to spend that day throwing out the rest of the trash and the stuff that I'm not keeping. And then I'm going to be going to get my rental car and drive up to New York to wait for our flight. Now, we hit a little bit of a snag with Doctor because he got his weird Ukrainian rabies test 2 months and 2 weeks ago, but they need it to be 3 months. So we're hoping that we can get that fixed. But anyway, otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, if they won't let him in the country, he can't fly, which means I can't fly, which means, oh my God, another round of chaos. Or maybe I can, well, I don't know. That's, yeah, if he can't fly, I can't fly. So hopefully they'll give us a waiver. Anyway, hope y'all are doing well out there. Stay safe, stay healthy.